here, guys. At least we got one. Hopefully, it'll be cool because we're a bunch of Florida people. We got no damn tunnels. I'll let all the V8 guys have their glory and the one super quiet V6.
Oh, look out the way. Drove out Wednesday, halfway, finished up yesterday, went to the Tail of the Dragon, did some fun stuff. Now today we're on the way to Clingmans Dome, and some of the group is gonna walk up there. The rest of us are just gonna chill and take some pictures. And after this, we got a whole route today. It's gonna be like 6 hours. So let's see how this goes on showing you guys what we do, what we not do, and all that. We're just gonna take pictures, take videos, drive, have fun. And as you can see, I'm a passenger again for a little bit. So I got to drive the Tail of the Dragon yesterday. Today is her turn.
My turn.
So pray for me. This is awesome! View! Come on, guys! Come on! Guys, so bit full. Tunnels is fun. Hey, remember when you told me I should put pants on? He was right.
Hey, you know that one pair of sweatpants that he always brings in?
Yeah, that I never wear.
No,
Yeah, should have
I
worn
brought
them.
him that one, a pair of jeans, and 2 pairs of joggers. And they're all still in the bag.
I forgot about this part. I forgot that we're going up in elevation, and that means it gets colder and windier.
Marty's gonna run up to the dome, look around, and run back down.
I'm gonna hang out with Javi. He's shorts too, but
Right, he's only cold. Well,
yeah,
actually, his good leg is numb too.
Yeah, his
so
good leg, he don't feel
it.
nothing.
Don't trip up the rocks. Hi guys, I'm gonna show you why I'm scared of this kind of heights. Hold on.
Why are you scared? Scared of what?
Straight down.
You ain't gonna fall down on mountain.
Come on, guys. Let's go to start.
That shit is straight down.
Want me to do it?
No, Danny.
Danny, you're gonna make
No, Danny.
very nice. Is that a good spot?
Your wife doesn't want to have to drive home.
No, I don't.
She's like, I ain't gonna be no legs.
That's why I did this.
Black truck.
All right, are we there yet?
Yeah, we're there. Is it? See them clouds over there? We're going above those.
Oh God.
What up?
I'm glad we came.
Good.
Now, I may not be saying the same thing when we get to the top.
5 hours later.
How you feeling, honey?
I feel great.
I'm good.
You breathe a little hard.
Bunch of girls. 5 hours later.
Look at her. She ran up here. Yeah.
We'll be up there in a minute. We're just taking a rest.
She ran up there.
She probably did.
We head for the sky, it's alright. Our wings wouldn't fly, it's alright. If we are crashing down again, pieces of love, it's alright.
Clingmans Dome 0, Marty 1. That's the way it is. Right, Danny?
Yeah.
We beat it.
One and done.
One and done.
Yes, we went. Will you go again? No.
Hell no. All right, bye. Let's go. Come on, let's go back.
Wanna go again?
Fuck out of here.
I mean, how the
It's alright. It's alright. It's alright. It's alright. It's alright, so let's move on. 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 We head for the sky, it's alright. Our wings wouldn't fly, it's alright. If we are crashing down again, pieces of love, it's alright. Scattered in mud, it's alright. You're giving me a lie again. And tell me what you want. This time I won't take it to the heart, 'cause I know we won't make it out. I've heard it all before. Yeah, tell me what you want. Let me hear that I'm the only one. You know that we won't make it out. We've heard it all before. It's alright. Hey, it's alright.
Think you're popping at $5 grand.
There it goes.
Half ago, the Camaro's here, but I decided to bring GTI because Mustang's too much of a pain in the butt. But I've had a lot of fun with this car already, so we're gonna have a little more fun with it. So 2019 GTI SE, it's on H&R springs, JB4, catalyst downpipe and exhaust and wheels. The tires are Achilles ATS Sports. So that's what we're doing. We're gonna have a little fun on the Dragon. So, let's see if I can keep up with these big dogs.
So today, finally gonna take my SS1LE to the Dragon and drive it like it's supposed to be driven. Like that. Like fun. This is why you buy this car. It's for shit like this. Alright, y'all. Alright. It's time for y'all to move the hell out of the way. Lady, I mean honestly. Come on, you gotta get out of the way. I need you guys to get out of my way. This one here, she's all over the white line. Or here, whoever that is. I'm gonna need y'all to move. Ugh. Clearly you guys don't know the rules here. Because sometimes we come up on it fast, but if I've got a Honda CRV in front of me, that's not gonna happen.
This is my wife.
Frenas antes y después sigue.
Yeah, Morgan was hesitant the first time, and then the second time she was closer.
Could have died a couple times. Oh.
She did really good. And then they really
Yeah?
Yeah, she was awesome.
Huh?
Where the fuck is the hood release on this car?
I don't know. It's your car, dude.
If it's anything like mine, it's way the hell down. No way.
Those are brakes. Look at this. What? This is a Corvette owner that doesn't do nothing to his car. Right there. Damn.
Is your engine too hot?
Gotta show him some
Yeah, I just let it cool. It's hot. So, I mean.
My engine has more.
It got warm. It warmed up. It went like.
Than most of these.
I just know. This rear end was blocking me.
Rob's definitely more
Come on, let's
Hey,
go.
bro, you gotta admit, I was getting on
Yeah,
that
you're
shit.
getting on it. Yeah, because I was on your ass, too. I said, come on, let's go.
I was going as fast as I could go.